Hey guys, I'm going to be working on one of my summer soaps today, and this is going to be coconut mango. I'm actually doing a lot of more of the tropical and oceany scents for the summertime this year, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So this one is the coconut mango. I'm going to be doing a combination of 4 different fragrances. I've got a coconut, and then I actually have 3 different mango ones, and you would laugh. I love to test fragrances, and I have so many different fragrances that are mango and or coconut or pineapple or whatever, and they all smell a little bit different. So I'm going to do a combination of these 4. It's going to smell absolutely amazing. And the colors I'm going to be using, I've got a white, a kind of an aqua color, and then I've got some bright orange. I think that'll really be fun because the coconuts, due to the vanilla in it, and really a lot of bakery scents that have that vanilla-ish in it, they do discolor to brown. So I'm hoping that the mango will help lighten that up some. And one of them does discolor to tan, but the other ones don't discolor at all. And I'm going to plan on some acceleration with the batter moving a little bit faster, so I'm going to do a quicker pour on this. Now what I'm going to do is I went ahead in these containers, I went ahead and put some mica in there. I went ahead and mixed it up with some water. Sometimes I mix it with oil, sometimes I mix it with water. I actually like to mix with water better because I think it disperses better, but that just kind of depends on the design I'm doing. Anyway, so I've got my orange, my white, and my turquoise, and I'm going to mix the batter, pour off some into each of these, and then I'm going to add my fragrance to the rest of it. And then I'm going to do, it's called an in the pot swirl, where I will pour these into the pot and then just do like a very gentle little circle in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and pour those into the molds. I don't know yet. I'm going to see how it looks as I'm pouring it, if I decide to do some hanger swirls in there or not, or if I'm just going to let it be as it is. The other thing I'm going to do is I have these green, lagoon green is going to match that color. These are jojoba beads, jojoba esters, and I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle these on top, kind of depending on, I'm going to keep that till the end. So I'm going to see how the top is and how my swirl is, and then I'll see if I add those on. But I think that would be some fun texture for this tropical soap. So let me go ahead and get everything set up, ready to go, and we'll make the soap.